Hello, welcome back to my video. Here, why holding $20 will be critical in this week's $1 billion Bitcoin option exp part 2. Bulls Cloud get a million benefit. The following are the four in all probability situation in light of the ongoing cost activity. The quantity of choice contract accessible on August 26 for call. The put instrument ship consignment upon the expiry cost. The lobs inclining toward each side is the potential benefit. Some here in the range of $20,000 and $22,000 call versus puts the net outcome favor bear by $100 million. Some here in the range of $22,000 and $22,000 call versus 6 puts the net outcome favor bears by $100 million. Some here in the range of $22,000 and $24,000. 5,000 call versus puts the net outcome is just among bulls and bears. Some here in the range of $24,000 and $25,000. Call versus 1,000 puts the net outcome favorable by $100 million. This unfriended judge consider the call choice unlicensed in Bali swaggers and the put choice only in non-partisan to negative exchange. All things being equal, this misrepresentation ignores more intrinsic venture techniques. Holding $20,000 is basic, particularly after bulls were exchanged in Fed's market. Bitcoin bulls need to push the cost above $22,000 on August 26 to adjust the class and stay away from a potential $100 million misfortune. In any case, Bitcoin bulls had $200 million worth of influence long prospect position exchange on August 18, so they are less disposed to push the cost higher temporarily. So the most likely situation for August 26 is the $22,000 to $24,000 territory, giving a reasonable result among bulls and bears. In the event that bears show some strength and BTC loss, the basic $20,000 support the $110. Misfortune in the month-to-month expiry will be the most trivial part of their concept. Furthermore, the move would negate the past $20,000 low July 26, successfully breaking a 7 extended rising pattern. Thank you for watching.